Ensuring security, efficiency, and effectiveness are central to the packaging market. You and your customers demand a high level of quality and performance to be associated with your products, processes, and brands. At American Industrial, we share your passion. Our brand is built on our reputation for exacting levels of quality in the repair of your systems and components. We are experts at extending the life and reducing the cost of automation technologies. Our unique expertise in vision and scanning systems, including vision, barcode, safety, and ID products, is unrivaled. At American Industrial, we have developed state-of-the-art repair and testing labs for all aspects of automation, including high-end technology such as machine vision, barcode readers, and safety scanners. Our engineers have created industry-leading ISO procedures for the troubleshooting, repairing, and testing of your technology-driven equipment. Our experience includes products manufactured by industry leaders Axis, Cognex, Samsung, and SICK, Allen Bradley, Datalogic, Honeywell, Keyence, Symbol, Lueze, Pilz and STI. In-process and pack-out automation inspection systems are tantamount to maintaining quality, tracking, increasing productivity, and reducing overall packaging cost. Servicing your automated systems reduces the cost of ownership of these by 50 to 70% through repair instead of replacing with new components. Downtime can lead to even bigger losses. In addition to saving by using our repair services, your organization ensures that obsolescence issues are avoided. We partner with your engineering and maintenance teams to ensure all units are plug-and-play capable, eliminating timely changeover, setup, and programming issues that occur when a replacement part is deemed obsolete and not available. In the repair process, our goal is to eliminate the occurrence of premature failure. Our expertise with electronics component failure modes means your parts are rebuilt with the highest quality components, ensuring the units are capable of performing well beyond our 12-month in-service warranty. Our test procedures ensure verifiable reliability with traceability utilizing our ISO-registered protocols. Station-by-station tracking information, failure analysis, warranty tracking, commonly repaired items, repair details, and many other reports are available via our web portal, Oasis. For certain vision system models, swap stock inventory can be arranged for same-day emergency shipping. We recognize that our responsiveness to your immediate needs is critical in support of your valued customers. Bringing you solutions that can lead to increased machine uptime, extended equipment life, and lowered maintenance costs is our passion. At American Industrial, we strive to provide you with the best repair possible while reducing your costly downtime. Contact us today. Our technical staff is available to discuss best fit solutions to your most immediate automation, safety, scanning, and vision system repair needs.